Follow the road.
Mind the horses, mister.
Lovely fresh vegetables, finest in all of London.
That price is too high, surely.
Mind your step, Governor.
Fresh apples, twopence a pound. Get your lovely flowers here.
Right this way, finest fruit in London. Flowers for sale. Get your tulips here.
Yeah. Finest cheese in the county. 2 guilders apiece.
$20 guilders for the cow.
That is too much. I'll give you 15.
Come on now, gentlemen, let us agree. Fresh herring, 2 for a penny. Mind the cart, watch where